Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet in the back loops only. First, let's look at the back loop when working into a chain. Hold your chain so you can see the top loops. Each chain has 2 loops on top. The front loop is closest to you and the back loop is the one farther away. Now, let's look at a working piece. Each crochet stitch has 2 loops on top, forming a V shape. The front loop is closest to you and the back loop is the one farther away. To crochet in the back loop only, insert your hook under just this loop instead of both. I'm gonna work a single crochet in the back loop. This is just to show you how to work into the back loops so you don't have to pay attention to the steps to make a single crochet, which I will show you later in the next video. In crochet charts, the symbol of the back loops doesn't appear individually. It is always at the base of a stitch being worked. For example, this is the symbol of single crochet on top of the back loop, which means to work single crochet to back loop only. You can see that on the side facing us, the front loops remained on the surface. It gives your fabric more stress and texture. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have tried back loop only before and what you have made with it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crochet tips. Happy crocheting!